Hong Kong stock market soars. Hong Kong sci-fi stocks soared collectively. By the end of the day, the Hang Seng Index rose 4.1% to close at 19,434.4 points. The main board traded 142.106 billion Hong Kong dollars for the whole day. In addition, the Hang Seng Technology Index soared 6.04%. Overnight, the three major U.S. stock indices closed collectively higher, with the Dow recording 11 consecutive gains, and Chinese stocks rising collectively, with the Nasdaq China Golden Dragon Index soaring 4.27%, the biggest gain since February. Driven by many good news, the Hong Kong stock market technology network stocks rose collectively. As of the close of business, Ruyuan Intellectual Control rose 18.42%, the number of groups, Bailey rose more than 12%, the world's data, microblogging, Baozun e-commerce, easy-to-use the car, the annual card, Baidu Group, Fast Hand, Pine King Technology rose more than 8%. Large technology network stocks Mission rose 7.84%, Jingdong Group rose 7.71%, Alibaba, Tencent Holdings rose more than 6%, NetEase, Millet rose more than 4%. For Hong Kong stocks, the Star Fund manager Chiu Dongrong in the second quarterly report said that the amplitude of Hong Kong stocks in the second quarter is greater than the A shares. The overall valuation level of Hong Kong stocks is basically in the history of the lower 10% or so. Hong Kong stocks are more cost-effective. Part of the company with a scarcity of companies will continue to make strategic allocations. Tianfeng Securities believes that after the end of the U.S. interest rate hike, the Hong Kong stock liquidity environment tends to improve, optimistic about the Hong Kong stock market valuation at the low level of the gradual repair. In the medium term, with the development of the Hong Kong stock technology network company AI Big Model gradually realize the incremental value, is expected to continue to attract funds to increase the allocation. Short-term, continue to pay attention to the promotion of domestic growth stabilization policies. Yingda Securities chief economist Li Daxiao told the Shenzhen Business Daily Reporter that China's long-term economic growth potential is huge. The past decade China's economic growth rate has been much higher than the global average. The long-term development of China's economy on the opening of China's high-quality assets upward space. It is foreseeable that with the stabilization of the economy, stabilization of the real estate market, support for private enterprises, support for the platform economy and a series of policies together, shares, Hong Kong stocks will be further active, and increased investor confidence can be expected. Stay tuned, our company launched a professional stock analysis experts for you to analyze the latest Hong Kong stock market. Stay tuned.